Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to share a quick guitar riff with you, give you something to practice on. It's something I throw in here and there at shows, and just thought you might dig it. That's basically it. I mean, you can change it around to work on minor scales and pretty much whatever you want. It goes more along with like kind of fast country rock type stuff. Something like so for instance, if I was playing like, I could throw it in, and it's kind of fast, but you know, something like that, just to pepper in here and there to taste. You don't want to overuse it, of course. But basically, starting on the 12th fret and on the high E string, and I'm going to hit that note, and then I'm going to pull off to an open high E string. And then with my thumb, I'm going to pluck the open B string. So 12th fret, pull off, open E, thumb on B string. So after that first pull off, and then followed by the B string, then I'm going to move back to the 10th fret, and again 10th fret on the high E, I'm going to pluck it with my index finger and then pull off to an open E, and then again open B string with my thumb. And then I'm going to move back another fret to the 9th fret, high E string, pluck and pull off, and then open B. So basically the open B is droning the entire time, and you're just alternating wherever you want on the high E string. I'm starting at the 12th fret and working my way back. So 12th, 10th, 9th, 7th, 5th, and then, you know, maybe 4th, maybe 3rd fret, depending on what you're playing. But something like that. And once you practice it and get in the groove, you can speed it up pretty well. Again, you could do like a major 7 type thing. Hey, bud. So, yeah, try it out, see what you think. Throw it in here and there. Thanks for watching, and this has been Jake Blair's guitar tip of the day. Take care.